Hi friends, in today's video we are going to learn the sound of EAU in French, or should I say EAU en français. Alright, so we have the combination A, U. When we pronounce them differently, this is this is A, and this is U. Now, whenever we mix it together, then what happens? The magic happens. Okay, so the combination A, U, it gives me the sound of O. So you can say the sound of O is also O, and the sound of O, A, U is also O. Let's look at some of the examples. The first one is chapeau. The sound is chapeau, which means a hat. Next, rideau. Rideau, which means a curtain. Next, couteau. Couteau, which means a knife. Next, bateau. Bateau, which means a boat. Chateau, which means a palace. Just remember, the sound of CH was sh and not ch. Next, plateau. The word is plateau, which means a tray. Next, réseau. The word is réseau, which means a network. Next, la peau. La peau. Peau means skin. Next, l'eau. The word is l'eau, which means the water. Alright, so here we have a sentence which has various words with EAU. Okay, so let's try to pronounce this sentence. Je mets mon beau chapeau sur le bateau qui flotte sur l'eau. We repeat it. Je mets mon beau chapeau sur le bateau qui flotte sur l'eau. What is the meaning of the sentence? I put my beautiful hat on the boat floating on the water. As we are getting a lot of queries regarding the complete course content for our school children, college going, and especially for DELF preparations, so soon we are launching the complete course content on our website learnfrenchbysuchita.com, which include the exclusive unlisted YouTube videos along with the audio files and PDFs, which will help you to take the French to the higher level. So stay connected, bon courage et bonne continuation.